So Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class we already discussed about exercise 1.1 some related problems, okay, and some other problems. See, question number 4 up to third problem we already discussed in last video. So this is the next video. 4. If u is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So A set as 2, 4, 6, 8. B 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Verify that A union B whole dash is equals to A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash. And second one, A intersection B whole dash is equals to A dash union B dash. Okay. See, let us calculate first LHS. A union B calculate. A union B. So A union B is equals to. So A union B is equals to what? Union A element, B element. So combine the A and B elements. 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. See. Combine A set and B set. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is A. Next, you have to calculate the LHS. What is LHS? LHS is equal to A union B whole dash. A union B whole dash. So U minus A union B. You know the formula well. So many problems done related to this one. This is complement of A union B. So U minus A union B. Okay. And tell me what is the answer. U minus A union B is what? U minus. U means 1 to 9. Okay. And A union B is what? 2 to 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So eliminate these elements in U. So write down 1. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eliminate all these up to 8. So write down 9. So this is the answer. Okay. So this is the answer LHS. Okay. Next we will move to the next A dash B dash. A dash is equal to U minus A now. U minus A. A dash equals to U minus A. U means 1 to 9 minus A. 2, 4, 6, 8 na. Remove the 2, 4, 6, 8 from U. Okay. 1. First I will write 1. 2 eliminate 3. Okay. 4 eliminate 5. 6 eliminate 7. 8 eliminate 9. Very easy. Out. Very easy. Okay. Next. B dash. B dash is equals to. B dash is equals to what? U minus B. U minus B. U minus B. So this is U and minus B. You have to eliminate that elements. 2, 3, 5, 7. You have to eliminate 2, 3, 5, 7. Right? So is equals to 1. 2 eliminated, so don't write. 3 eliminated, don't write. 4, 4 write down. 5 eliminated, see 5 is there. See 6 write down. 7 eliminated, don't write. 8, 9, 8. Like that you have to write. So A dash B dash. Very easy now. Next, LHS already calculated. RHS. RHS is equals to what will be? A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? Say A dash intersection B dash. Both have to intersection ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. A dash intersection B dash. Okay. ಆ intersection ಮಾಡೋಣ. 1. Okay. 1. 3. Okay. See. A dash intersection B dash is what? So I have to find the common element to both A dash and B dash. So 1 is the common element. So write. 3 is not a common element. Don't write. Sorry. Okay. 3, 5 not there. 7 is not there. 9 is there. 9. So like that you have to write. So this is the answer. RHS is equals to 1, 9. See. RHS is equals to 1, 9. LHS is equals to 1, 9. Set of 1, 9. Both are same now, so therefore we can tell that A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash. Okay na? So this is the first one. So my dear students, do this one as a homework. Okay, already I calculated A intersection is an A dash B dash union ಮಾಡಿದ RHS ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ A intersection B ಮಾಡಿ. A intersection B means this one and this one. A intersection B 2 4 6 8 2 3 5 7. So 2 A intersection B equals to 2 only. So A intersection B equals to 2. Okay. So A intersection B whole dash equals to U minus A intersection B. So 2 ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 this is the LHS. Okay, calculate A intersection union B intersection, same we will get. So you have to do this one, second one as a homework. So do this one homework. Okay, A intersection B whole dash equals to A dash union B dash. So my dear students, so go through that one and do that homework. Okay, we will see the next question. See next, draw the appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. Okay, draw the appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. Okay na? So A union B whole dash. So what is the meaning of A union B whole dash? U minus A union B, no? So you know this formula, no? U minus A union B formula. Okay, so how to draw this one? See, I will tell you. So let us consider so this is U, okay, universal set, and this is set A and this is set B. Okay, set A and set B. Okay, U minus A union B, no? What is the meaning of this one? U minus A union B means we have to shade universal set except A union B. What is A union B? This is total U A union B, no? So shade this part here. Okay, so shade this one. This is the answer for this. Okay, so this shaded part is known as A union B whole dash. A union B whole dash. So some other formulas are, some other techniques are there to draw. That is difficult. See, this is very easy. So understood. So U ಒಳಗೆ total U ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ A union B ತೆಗೆದಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So we are removing A union B. See, A union B means what? A, this is B. This total part, this total part is called A union B. No, this total part is called A union B. This total part is called A union B. We are removing from the U. That's why this is very easy. Learn like this, it will be very easy. So some other way you can express how it will be means. First they will write A union B, then A union B whole dash. See, this is very easy technique. So A union B whole dash means what? U minus A union B. So therefore U minus, we are eliminating A union B. Okay. Next, another formula is there. A union B whole dash equals to what? What is the formula? A dash intersection B dash. So both are same, no? So that's why same Venn diagram for this also. Second one also same Venn diagram is equals to A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash. See, for A union B whole dash, A dash intersection B dash. Same Venn diagram for both. Very easy, no? So learn this one. Next, we will move to the third one. See, A intersection B whole dash. What is the meaning of A intersection B whole dash? U minus A intersection B. What is the meaning of this one? U minus A intersection B andre ಏನು? So universal set inda A intersection B ತೆಗೆದಾಕಿ ಅಂತ. So this is A and this is B. Okay na? Intersection means what? This one. This only. This is the intersection part. So you have to remove and remaining you have to shade. Remaining ಎಲ್ಲ shade ಮಾಡೋದು. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಈ ತರ shade ಮಾಡೋದು. This is the answer for this one. So we shaded here only. Okay. This shade this part is known as what? Intersection. This part is intersection. They are not shaded. So they are not shaded. So shaded. Understood or not? So this part is not shaded. So therefore this one called as A intersection B whole dash. A intersection B whole dash. Understood or not? Very easy. Okay. Some other way is there to represent this type of Venn diagrams. That is somewhat difficult. Still learn the easy concept. Why? Because you entered now only into the first PUC. No, learn in an easy way. Then it will be somewhat difficult. Okay. ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಈಸಿ ವೇ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಲಿವೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಸಿ A union B, A intersection B, they are eliminated from U. Okay. So another formula is there. A intersection B whole dash equals to what? De Morgan laws already told in last video. So A intersection B whole dash equals to what? A dash union B dash. So therefore same Venn diagram for this fourth one also. A dash union B dash. A dash union B dash. Okay na? So these first two questions Venn diagram, second two questions Venn diagram, this one. So I had to learn this one. So very easy concepts. Okay na, my dear students. See, let us see the next question. Question number 6. So observe this one. Somewhat difficult, but the answer is very easy. How to find out this one? First, you have to observe carefully. Let U be the set of all triangles. U be the set of all triangles. Set of all triangles. In a plane. Okay. What is U? Set of all triangles. Set of all triangles means what? Set of equilateral triangle. Set of scalene triangles. Set of equilateral triangle means what? Means equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. So if you take this triangle, okay. If all sides are equal, then you can tell that triangle is equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. If any two sides are equal, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು two sides equal ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Another side is different. So that is called isosceles triangle. Isosceles. ISOSCELES. Isosceles triangles. Okay na? ಸಮದ್ವಿಬಾಹು ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಅಂತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಒಳಗೆ. So two sides are equal. Isosceles triangles. Okay. So three sides are different. So one is 2 cm, 3 cm, 4 cm. Different. All sides are different lengths. So therefore that type of triangles are called as scalene triangles. CALE. Scalene triangles. So this is a brief introduction about the triangles. Okay. So triangles. See. What is U? Set of all triangles. All triangles will include all. Okay, equilateral triangles, scalene triangles, isosceles triangles, right angle triangles. Okay, these all triangles will include in this set U. Okay, next we will move to the A. A is the set of all triangles with at least one angle different from 60 and so what is the meaning of this one? ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್. ಇದು ಯಾರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಅಂಥವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 60 ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 60 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? 180 degrees ನೋ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಫಾರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇದು 60 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದು 60 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ 60 ಇದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲೇಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈಕ್ವಲೇಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್, ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್, ಒನ್ನನ್ನು ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲನ್ನು 60 ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 60 ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಬೇರೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, 60 ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಒಂದನ್ನು ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ 50 ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಇದು 50 ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಆಗೋದು, ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಆಗೋದು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ what is this type of triangles? This type of triangles are known as non-equilateral triangles. Non-equilateral triangles are equilateral triangles. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. A set is non-equilateral triangles. Okay. So simple ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ non-equilateral triangles ಅಂದ್ರೆ scalene triangle ಅನ್ನ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Otherwise it is a isosceles triangle. So therefore we have to find out A dash. So U is equals to set of all triangles. Set of all triangles. Okay. And A is equals to set of all non-equilateral triangles. Triangles. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನಾ? Non-equilateral triangles ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸರ್? ಏನ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Non-equilateral triangles. What is the meaning of it? Means equilateral triangle ಆಗದಿರೋವೆಲ್ಲ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೆಟ್ A ಒಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now A dash you have to find. A dash is what is the formula? A dash is the formula U minus A. U minus A. Okay. So set of triangles in the set of all non-equilateral triangles ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. So we are removing from that one. Set of triangles. Okay. Scalene triangles, isosceles triangles, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ equilateral triangles. So ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Non-equilateral triangles means what? Scalene, isosceles. Scalene and isosceles ತೆಗೆದಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. See A dash is equals to U minus A. So set of triangles minus set of all non-equilateral triangles means non-equilateral triangles ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದಾಕಿದ್ರೆ set of triangles ಇಂದ what is the remaining thing? Equilateral triangle. Okay na? For example I will give one reason. Okay. So bad people, good people ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay. Bad people ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Good people ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಥರ set of non-equilateral triangles ತೆಗೆದಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ set of non-equilateral triangles ತೆಗೆದಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ equilateral triangles ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So therefore A dash is equals to set of equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangles. Okay. So this is the answer. This is very very easy and somewhat difficult. Okay. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. See next we will see the next question. See, fill the blanks to make each of the following true statements. Okay. True ಆಗೋ ಥರ we have to fill the blanks. So 4 questions are given here. Okay. 4 questions are given. What is the answer? Tell me. Already learned so many things now. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. So we have to search. First one, A union A dash. If you don't know answer means you have to ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಅಂತಂದರೆ I will tell one technique for you. So let's just take like this Venn diagram. Fast Venn diagram ತರ ಹಾಕೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? Okay. A, this is A. Okay, this is A. A dash means outside. This is outside. This is outside. A means inside. So A dash A. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A dash A ನ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what will get? Total will get. What is this total? This total is called U. Like that you have to behave. If you don't know means you have to think. You have to think. You have to write the Venn diagram easily. Okay. Not with decoration. So simple rough diagram you have to draw. Okay. Next we will move to the second one. Pi dash intersection A. Okay. So we can't directly solve this problem. Pi dash intersection A. You know pi dash is equals to what already told in properties of complement. Pi dash is equals to what? U. This is nothing but pi dash is equals to U. U intersection A. U intersection A. So what is the answer for U intersection A? This is U. Okay, this is U. Okay, intersection A. This is A. A to U to intersection ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Common element ಏನು? A. So A. So it is equals to A. So this is the answer. Understood or not? So U intersection A is equals to A. Like that you have to be. Okay. Next we will move to the third one. A intersection A dash. A, this one A, inside A. Okay. A intersection means outside. A from outside. Okay. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ A intersection. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ A. So A intersection A. Intersection. Sorry. A dash. This is outside A dash. This is inside A. A dash intersection A. Both are different now. There is no common element between A dash and A. A dash to A to common element is also. So therefore, what is the answer? Pi. A intersection A dash is equals to pi. Okay na? Next we will move to the next one. Pi dash. Pi dash U dash. U dash means what already told. Pi no. U dash is equals to pi. Intersection A. Okay. So let us draw another some Venn diagram. This is A. Okay, this is A. Okay. Pi intersection A. Pi means what? Empty set. Empty set intersection A. There is no element in pi. Intersection A will be a triangle. So therefore answer is what? Pi. Pi is the answer. Understood or not? Like that we have to think. So pi yolage elements iralla. There is no element in pi. Pi intersection A means pi. Understood or not? Pi union A. So big set ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Union ಬಂದಾಗ big set ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Intersection ಬಂದಾಗ small set ತಗೋಬೇಕು. When it is subset ಆಗಿದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ. Okay. Pi intersection A is equals to what? Pi. Okay. Like that you have to think. So my dear students, if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt means please comment in this below video. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask through WhatsApp or call. Okay. So I will communicate. Okay. Thank you my dear students. Thank you.